Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll here and go to more security and privacy, and here scroll down. Get back to the place. Scroll down to find installation sources. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and let's pretend that I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser. Just find it on the list and then tap on this switcher next to it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you have to know that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Tap on Allowed, and as you can see, this switcher is active now, which means that now I am allowed to download the app from Chrome. Obviously, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher next to the app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.